Hi everybody. I usually look like this and I usually teach classes here in this kitchen or upstairs, right over there. Yeah, this is my color checker. Um, I shoot videos and I take pictures, but now I'm going to show you something that you've never seen and something that I hope will be a new chapter of my daily life, hopefully. All right, so this is my garage or whatever it is called. Um, I'm renting it from my aunt actually, and these two are the lights that came that, that were available, and I think that you agree that the lighting is amazingly bad. I was trying to do some things here, some repairs. I'm trying to repair an old drawer board or cupboard, very old, about 60, 70 years old. And there was no way that I can do it in this light. So I mounted these and I'm going to show you how I did it. And everything plugs in here, which is a very nice outlet you can see. So abracadabra, and you can see that the outlet. And now we have some light. It's a quick installment of the lights. I didn't film the whole thing, just a couple of time lapses and a couple of short clips as a start, and hopefully I will be able to film everything that I do here at some point.